Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn profitable passive income. And first of all, I'm going to show you the proof, and then I'm going to share with you all the resources and the tools I'm going to give you, and also the system that I'm going to give you that you can use to follow to get results like I'm sharing with you today. So first of all, I'm live in my Warrior Plus account. This is a default where you get the last 30 days. The right hand column here is the commission column. And what you'll see here is in the last 30 days, the commissions are $930. And the sales of the products total 1,843. The products that I've sold 147 products in this column here. Now let's go to the all time, because I want to show you the power of this system and why I recommend that you not only join these products and use them, but also promote them as an affiliate. So still in the account live, going to go into all time, and you'll see here I'm still live in my account. Come down here, and the commission on the right hand column in my all time is $9,388 of commissions earned. The sales of the products are 18,888, and I've sold 2,076 products here on the left hand column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in this video the products are autopilot buyers traffic, and you can start this system. I started this system for $4.90 and I built it up from there, and that's what I recommend that you do. And buyer traffic is the hardest traffic to get online, and it's the best traffic. So you're not only going to get buyers, we're not going to send buyers to your offers. We're also going to show you how to get those that buyer traffic on autopilot, which is even better. So it runs for you in the background 24/7. I'm then going to show you how to get that traffic for free. So you'll no longer be paying for it out of your bank account. You're going to get it for free. I'm also going to solve one of the other biggest problems that people have is I'm going to show you how to earn multiple income streams promoting one link. Now, some of these income streams are even high ticket without you having to buy the high ticket offer itself. I'm going to then show you how to get into profit every single month. This is the key thing with affiliate marketing, not getting into debt, not starting affiliate marketing or continuing on and losing money. I'm going to show you how to get into profit every single month. So if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, you can have a funded traffic proposal where you can buy more traffic from your profits instead of your job income or your wages or your savings in your bank account. I'm going to give you the system that I created to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers, and I've just shown you the proof there that it actually works. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to join these offers and also to promote them as an affiliate. You've got to be a member of them to promote them as an affiliate. So let's have a look why it's so successful, this system. Well, first of all, you need to be looking at this circular arrow down here, recurring payments. Now what you'll see is they're paying 9 months in a row. So if you look here, this member's been paying for 22 months in a row. So what you're doing is you're going to build up a solid database of member subscriptions, of members that are paying every single month. So this is how you get in your traffic for free. This is how you're going to get into profit every single month. All these circular arrows are payments 20 months in a row, 9 months in a row, 7 months in a row. If I scroll down and you see all the circular arrows, each and every one is a recurring payment. Now these gaps here are products that have been sold, and these are new members that are coming in here. So when you see gaps, you're seeing new members. Look, new members are joining here. New members are joining. New members are paying for 6 months up front. New members are paying for a year up front in some cases. So this is a system that actually, if you work it and you promote it, you can not only earn monthly recurring payments, you can also earn multiple income streams with this system here. 26 months in a row there. So what you do when you join is you get one link to promote. So I'll just give you an example here of one of the products. It's called the Click Generator. It's an autopilot buyer's traffic offer. So when you become a member, you'll get your affiliate link, like I've got mine here in the top left-hand corner. Now, all these 18 products here, when one of your referrals joins, they get offered to upgrade with these products here. Now you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these are recurring commissions. Now there's high ticket ones here. So the owners of this product, John Cornetta and Frank Salinas, they're absolute traffic experts. They've got 30 years experience in the affiliate marketing, combined 30 years experience in traffic. They've sold over 4.7 million clicks, and they're selling products here that for $8,500, for $6,000. So if any of your referrals bought any of these products here, this one here, you would earn an $850 commission just promoting one link, $600 commission. You'd have to buy these. You can buy them if you want some quality traffic, you want to promote your offers. But the lower ones down here, there's some lower ones here where you earn $43, where you earn $85, where you earn $200. So yes, these are one-time payments, but everything adds up. And this is how you sell multiple products promoting one link. Now I'm going to give you my done-for-you funnels. I've created 5 done-for-you funnels. So you're going to get a lead capture page. I create the videos. I create everything for you. All you've got to do is copy and paste some share codes. I'll show you how to do that shortly. It's really beginner friendly. If you're brand new, you can do this as well. Your prospect will put their email into there. You'll just promote one link and one page. And then they'll come to a welcome page where I've done some more proof for you. This video, you're going to clone this exact page, but your Click Engine affiliate link is going to go into here. So you're going to earn the commissions, not me. You're also going to earn leads leap commissions, which is multiple passive income again, and profitable if you continue to promote. And all you're going to do is these little share codes here, really beginner friendly. Just copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap, and you're going to clone this page and just put your affiliate links in there. And I've even done 2 tutorial videos down here that show you step-by-step tutorials how to create the funnel. So you just watch a bit of the video, you do the work, you save it, and then in the end you'll have a done-for-you funnel. I've even done the email follow-ups for you. So I've created 7 emails there. And it's important you need an autoresponder. There's no point in doing affiliate marketing if you haven't got an autoresponder, because a prospect needs to see a product, an offer up to 7 times before they take action to buy. And that's proven. That's not just me saying that. That's why I do 7 emails, because a prospect's got to see. So when you give your autoresponder with Leads Leap, I've handwritten these email follow-ups for you. I haven't done ChatGPT or AI. I've personally handwritten them all, because if you look over here, you'll see with the Click Engine, I've referred 130 Click Engine members. So I know the funnels work. I use them myself. With Jeff Amon, every 10 referrals, you get a $25 bonus. You just send him an email and I've referred 130 members. So these funnels work, the products convert, and I'm going to show you the system now that I personally use. So this is a video that I created. It is called How to Get Buyer Traffic for Free, but it's a lot more than that. It's going to be how to put your offer in front of thousands of buyers on autopilot, existing buyers, how to put your offers in front of thousands of new buyers coming online and joining these systems every single month. It's going to show you how to build a buyers list. So there's lots of, it's very beginner friendly. Don't get confused or overwhelmed. Just follow the system. You can join the products here if you want to join the products. And if you want to clone the page, I update this page here with a video. If you want to clone the page and promote the page, you can, I've got a share code there on cloning the page and a video again on how to do that. So these pages are hosted on Leads Leap, and there'll be a link somewhere here to join Leads Leap. So when you promote these pages, your affiliate link goes in here, and you can earn profitable passive income with Leads Leap. You'll see here that so far my total earnings with Leads Leap are $1,035. So it's another additional profitable passive income stream with Leads Leap. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate. I just did forget to mention that this page here will be pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So that's where you can watch this video here. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. If you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos, several new uploads every single week. I've got over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content in this video, then please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. And I do mentor students one-to-one as well. So if you want some help with your affiliate marketing, just send me an email on that email address there and I can help you out. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.